In this video, what we're trying to do is figure out how we can upload our work or any kind of handwritten work, if we will, into a homework assignment that you could find within Canvas. So the first thing that we're going to see is that this is the mobile, or not the mobile app, but the internet browser found on my cell phone. And so what we're looking at is the Canvas app right now for this particular course. In this case, what I want to do is navigate to where I know I have one of these assignments, which is in this case in the modules. This course has a ton of different things here. I could go ahead and minimize that theoretically to get rid of it, make it a little bit smaller so I don't have to look at it. And really what I want to do is find this particular assignment. And if we take a look, there's a little kind of airplane screen, which I may be able to not do anything with. But there's a little kind of rocket ship that's colored in, and that's a signal that that's what we're looking at. So we go ahead and click this particular assignment. The assignment loads. It will still continue to load, and it's going to take a little bit of time because Canvas doesn't like running through your cell phone. But if this is what you've got, this is what you've got. In this case, we didn't have a time limit, so we can go ahead and resume because I've been playing with it, trying to make sure that this works. And it's going to load the assignment for us. This particular assignment is a bit of a long one, so it takes a little bit to load on my measly little phone, particularly with all the screen mirroring happening here. So what we would do is scroll down to a question that has this rich text editor. And so that's what we're looking at here, and I'll try and get it out of that watermark. And so we could go through and now enter whatever we wanted to into this box. Okay, so some words and some other things. Okay, why not? But the power of this is going to be for when you need to insert images. Okay, so images of your work. And so what you can go through and do, in this case, I'm just going to return down. And if you look kind of midway in between that watermark A, there's a little picture of a landscape. And if we press that, that is now to import content. And since we're on our phone, what we could now do is click Browse. And it's going to open up this option where we've got pictures on your phone. You could also pull up the camera. Theoretically, oh, of course, it's a selfie. And we could go ahead and take a picture. Ta-da! And we could now upload this image into our homework assignment. Okay, and we would click Import. And now when the instructor goes into grade, they will see that handwritten work that you've now taken a picture of. And you can do that from your phone relatively quickly. So it isn't a huge issue. Sometimes it hangs on the upload, but there we go. One of the things you should do, make sure you can look at that image, and at least from your phone, make sure it looks somewhat decent. It looks like it's a reasonable image. With that, you're done for this particular assignment. See if I can hide that keyboard. Cool. Oh, that was not the button I wanted. Close. And for this assignment, we could scroll all the way to the bottom. Like I said, it's a long assignment. All the way to the bottom. We could click Submit. And yeah, it's going to tell me I haven't completed it all. But now when the assignment gets uploaded, that image of the work is now recorded, and that's really the power of what we wanted to see. So if we go through, you should now be able to see the picture that we took of our work, or my keyboard, as the case may be. And that's the point of using this, so that we can allow you to show your work so you can get credit for that. And that's a pretty powerful thing. With that, thank you for listening. Hopefully you found that interesting or useful. Let me know if you can't find anything out.